In the 1990s, Bass and Avolio developed the full-range leadership model. It suggests effective leaders use both transactional and transformational behaviors. Transactional leadership involves developing strong, positive relationships with followers, communicating expectations up front, and then using two categories of behavior to shape performance. Using contingent reward behaviors, leaders link actions with outcomes by rewarding followers when they meet expectations. By linking contributions with positive consequences, they learn what's expected of them. These behaviors can have a positive impact on their job satisfaction, commitment, and performance. Management by exception behaviors, on the other hand, seek to correct undesirable actions with feedback or punishment. Taking an active approach means we observe and correct mistakes as they are made, while taking a passive approach means we observe and then intervene only after a mistake is made. When correcting performance, it's important to identify the problematic behavior, explain its negative outcomes, and clarify what's expected moving forward. By helping followers improve, we establish trust and respect, especially with high performers. Transformational leaders, on the other hand, use a different set of behaviors to go above and beyond performance expectations and achieve more than just the predicted outcomes. They also transform their followers in a way that enables them to reach their full potential. They do this using 4 sets of behaviors. Inspirational motivation involves the creation of a vision and goals that motivate followers to coordinate their efforts and work hard. These behaviors establish high standards, spread optimism, and encourage collaboration. Idealized influence includes behaviors that are charismatic, build trust and show respect, and model stellar performance. Intellectual stimulation involves the creation of an environment that challenges followers, encourages them to innovate and take appropriate risks, and solve problems on their own. Individualized consideration includes behaviors that develop high-quality relationships with each follower, such as active listening, coaching, and one-on-one support. To assess your transformational leadership, consider the extent to which you do each of the following. Do you clearly articulate an appealing vision to each follower? Do you use symbols and imagery to emphasize the vision and values you want the group to embody? Do you explain how the vision can be fulfilled and how each person contributes to the action plan? Do you establish high standards? And do you hold others accountable for maintaining those standards? Do you lead by example? Do you behave in ways that signal confidence and optimism? And do you express confidence in each person? Do you empower them to make decisions, solve problems, and share input? Do you provide opportunities for them to grow and develop? Do you challenge their assumptions and encourage perspective taking? Do you celebrate success and reward their accomplishments? The full-range model is popular because it's easy to understand and apply. The research confirms that a combination of transactional and transformational behaviors is usually more effective than just one. Some studies show correlations between transformational leadership and various outcomes, like higher levels of job satisfaction, motivation, and job performance, as well as lower levels of cynicism and more fully developed social networks. Despite this evidence, the model has its weaknesses. Some scholars haven't been able to fully validate the measurement tools or replicate the connection between the behaviors and predicted outcomes. In addition, we know little about the dark side of transformational leadership. What type of person is likely to abuse this style, and what can be done to prevent it?